Title: The Domino Effect: How a Nuclear Conflict Between Pakistan and India Could Escalate to World War III. The long-standing geopolitical tensions between Pakistan and India, both possessing nuclear capabilities, have always been a cause for global concern. The nightmare scenario of a nuclear conflict between these two South Asian neighbors raises the specter of a far-reaching global catastrophe, potentially triggering World War III. Here, we explore the possible mechanisms through which such a regional crisis could escalate into a worldwide conflict. 1. Escalation dynamics. In the event of a nuclear conflict between Pakistan and India, regional stability would be severely compromised. The use of nuclear weapons could trigger a rapid and unpredictable chain of events, with neighboring countries becoming embroiled in the conflict as alliances are invoked and security concerns intensify. 2. Global power involvement. Both Pakistan and India have significant geopolitical ties with major world powers. A nuclear conflict in South Asia could prompt countries such as the United States, China, and Russia to take sides, either diplomatically or militarily. This involvement of global powers could escalate the conflict beyond regional boundaries. 3. Strategic alliances. Existing alliances and treaties would play a crucial role in the global response to a Pakistan-India nuclear conflict. Nations bound by defense pacts or strategic partnerships might feel compelled to honor their commitments, potentially leading to a broader, more widespread conflict. 4. Economic fallout. The economic repercussions of a nuclear conflict would be severe, affecting global trade, financial markets, and economic stability. Countries worldwide would face economic downturns as uncertainty and fear grip the international community, leading to a potential global recession. 5. Humanitarian crisis. The immediate aftermath of a nuclear conflict would result in a colossal humanitarian crisis. The scale of casualties, displaced populations, and environmental damage could prompt international intervention. Humanitarian concerns may draw countries into the conflict as they strive to provide aid and mitigate the fallout. 6. Nuclear proliferation risks. A nuclear conflict in South Asia could fuel concerns about nuclear proliferation. The fear of a wider nuclear arms race might push other nations to reconsider their nuclear policies, either developing their own capabilities or seeking alliances with nuclear powers. 7. Cyber warfare and information battles. In addition to conventional warfare, a modern conflict could involve cyber warfare and information battles. Countries might engage in hacking, disinformation campaigns, and attacks on critical infrastructure, further escalating tensions on a global scale. 8. United Nations and international response. The United Nations and other international bodies would face immense pressure to intervene and mediate. However, the effectiveness of diplomatic efforts would be contingent on the willingness of involved parties to negotiate and find a peaceful resolution amid heightened hostilities. In conclusion, the idea of a nuclear conflict between Pakistan and India transcends regional concerns, posing a global threat with the potential to trigger World War III. The interconnected nature of the international community, coupled with the involvement of major world powers and the complex web of alliances, underscores the urgency for diplomatic solutions and conflict prevention in the South Asian region. The consequences of a nuclear conflict would extend far beyond the immediate theater, affecting nations across continents and altering the course of global history.